When I was starting out solo on a big ADV bike, there was a certain level of anxiety about getting caught out in a remote area, whether it be on steep loose hills or in a wet boggy valley. Being solo in areas without people or mobile reception, it's hard to commit to some routes when you get there to the steep hill or a long bog hole and see something that sets off your alarm bells and has you turning around. It's a defeating feeling, and when alone, turning around is probably your best bet. I've decided to put together this series to show the terrain, challenges and conditions of the trails at the time of publishing. A sort of guide to help others riders figure out whether they want to tackle a certain road or trail solo, and help alleviate some of the doubt involved with the mind's perception of the unknown, challenging their riding skills in new terrain on a big bike. At the end of the day, the safest way to attempt these routes is with a group, and always carrying some snacks, water, tools, first aid kit and some form of satellite communication on your person. There is no implied responsibility taken with this information. Motorcycling in any environment is a dangerous activity to be partaken in at your own risk. So sit back and enjoy as I show a particular dirt road or trail in its entirety that I've ridden lately. And I'll go through a short rundown at the end of the video pointing out conditions and challenges to look out for. Rate each section on difficulty for myself as an average rider, and ultimately answer the question, is this route big bike friendly? doing the usual warm-up and just sucking, and this track's not exactly a warm-up track. It's kind of fucking loose. It's got marbles, it's got sand, it's got mud puddles and all sorts of shit. And as usual, I'm having trouble seeing in the shadows with sunglasses on. I need to get goggles. I keep saying that, but I've actually got to go get me some goggles. Tight corner with heaps of shit in the middle. Fucking sandy as f. This is my first time riding through the Tullarwalla National Park, and I was relatively new to sand riding at the time, so I was trying to take it very slow. Wentz Road is a sand and gravel based trail. There are a few sections of hard packed base with small skatey gravel on top. There's the odd small mud hole and loose corner. This area can become very busy at times, and extreme caution should be taken as many 4x4s and motorcycles frequent the Tullarwalla National Park, and the surrounding area is a fairly well-known mecca for off-road recreation. This trail is relatively easy and probably a 1.5 out of 5 on the scale of the hardest places I've ridden. Personally, I think this trail is definitely big bike friendly for beginner riders. Just keep an eye out on traffic and take it easy. Anyway, thanks for watching, hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.